projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Data Anonymization Using Pseudocode System to Preserve Data Privacy. So now coming to the introduction part, the introduction of data anonymization using pseudonym system signifies a pivotal step towards navigating the complex traits of data privacy in the digital age. By merging technological innovation with ethical considerations, this approach offers a pathway for organizations to harness data's transformative power while upholding individual rights. As the world grapples with data-driven challenges, the practice of data anonymization stands as a testament to the potential of technology to protect and empower individuals, foster trust, and propel society towards a more privacy-respecting future. So now coming to the objective part for this project is to establish a framework that enables the extraction of valuable insights from data while respecting individuals' privacy. Through the development of effective pseudonymization techniques, standard procedures, and thorough privacy assessments, this approach seeks to redefine the way data is managed, shared, and analyzed in a manner that respects personal privacy and builds a foundation of trust in data-driven environments. The research and development in this field aim to devise standardized methods that organizations can implement to ensure compliance with privacy regulations, data protection laws, and ethical guidelines. This involves not only creating effective pseudonyms but also designing workflows that protocols and that seamlessly integrate pseudonymization into data processing pipelines. So now coming to the requirements part, we have two types of requirements, that are hardware requirements and software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system as Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 4 GB of RAM is required, hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirement part, Python IDE, that is 3.7 version is required. So now coming to the methodology part, first username. A username is a unique and typically user-defined alphanumeric identifier used to distinguish and authenticate individuals within digital systems, platforms, or online environments. It often serves as the initial point of access for users to log into the accounts, websites, or applications. Username offer a way to differentiate users, making it easier to manage accounts and interactions. Second, message. In a digital context, a message refers to a piece of electronic communication exchanged between users or entities through various platforms such as messaging apps, email services, or social media networks. Messages can encompass text, multimedia content, files, or any form of data that users wish to share. Third, registration module. A registration module is a software component embedded within digital platforms or applications that facilitates the process of user onboarding. When users create accounts on websites, apps, or systems, they often need to provide essential information such as username, password, and contact details. The registration module guides users through this process, verifying the authenticity of provided information and ensuring the user's account is properly set up and ready for use. Fourth, recognition module. A recognition module is a software component that employs various technologies such as machine learning, computer vision, or biometrics to identify and verify individuals based on specific characteristics or patterns. In the context of user and authentication, a recognition module could be used to validate user identity through methods like facial recognition, fingerprint scans, or voice recognition. So now coming to the execution part, to execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. Here we have a folder named as images. In this we are containing some images over here. This is the main Python file which is containing the Python script in it, and here this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. So now to run the project, double click on run.bat file to execute the project. Here this is the graphical user interface. With this we are interacting with the program. So now here enter some username and then enter some message over here. So here you can see that I have entered the username and message over here. So by clicking on registration module button, we will upload one image from this. So here I am uploading this first image, and now click on open button to run above all 9 points, that will get the output. So here a small screen has been showed over here. Here in this screen you can see that palm vein image converted to canny edge, and we can see key points collected using Harris method, and these key points are in green color. So now closing this image over here, On this screen, we can see extracted binary values and then converted to master key and then generated random values from username, and then using key points, master key and random username values, we have generated pseudonym. So here in last line, we can see pseudonym is uploaded to Drive HQ Cloud, and now here you can see that click on recognition module button over here and upload any image. Suppose similarly I am uploading the first image, and now click on open button. So here on this screen you can see that user recognized successfully, and the user message has been displayed over here, the text message from Rajijan. So now coming back to the conclusion part, in the broader context, the accomplishments in data anonymization using pseudonym systems to echo the transformative power of technology to harmonize seemingly disparate goals. By embracing privacy-preserving practices, organizations set the stage for an ethical and secure data ecosystem, one that empowers individuals to engage with technology while safeguarding their personal identities. As this journey continues, the impact of this innovation radiates through industries and society, reminding us that the responsible management of data is an essential step towards an inclusive and trustworthy digital future. Pseudonym systems allow data to be analyzed, shared, and aggregated without exposing sensitive information. This not only aligns with emerging data protection regulations, but also contributes to building and maintaining trust among users, stakeholders, and the broader public.
For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Project's YouTube channel and subscribe.